In the news just coming in from Bollywood, Amir Khan has once again announced his divorce. Yes, Amir Khan जो पिछले 15 सालों से किरण राव के साथ थे, has announced that he will be divorcing her very soon. And this is actually a joint announcement from the couple, and they have said that it's an amicable decision. और दोनों के बीच में बहुत सारी बातें हुई हैं और they have been living separately for a while in fact, और अब जाकर उन्होंने ये सही समझा कि अब वो दुनिया को बता दे कि वो लोग अलग हो रहे हैं फाइनली. नाउ मैं आपको बता दूं दैट आमिर खान हैज़ बिन विद किरण राव नॉट जस्ट मैरिड फॉर द लास्ट 15 years, बट ही इज़ नोन हर सिंस लगान, क्योंकि लगान के सेट्स पे इनकी मुलाकात हुई थी. वह किरण राव वॉज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर और आमिर खान की इंटरेस्टिंगली जो पहली बीवी है, शी वॉज द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म. एंड while the filming of Lagan, they fell in love, and after that Amir Khan gave divorce to रीना, जो उनकी पहली वाइफ थी, जिनको आपने देखा होगा. आमिर खान की पहली फिल्म जो क़यामत से क़यामत तक थी, उसमें एक गाना है पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. उसमें एक छोटा सा सीन है जहाँ पर रीना को दिखाया जाता है. सो आमिर खान हैज़ बीन मैरिड एंड ही इज़ बिन विद रीना एवर सिंस he's been in Bollywood, and he's always been married, but this is the second time that he's filing or going to file for divorce. And Amir has two kids from Reena. एक है ईरा खान जो 24 साल की हैं और दूसरे हैं जुनैद खान जो 23 साल के हैं. और दोनों काफ़ी मीडिया में चर्चित रहते हैं बिकॉज paparazzi is always following them like most other star kids, and they're always in the news for sometimes for the right reasons, most of the times for the wrong reasons also. बट किरण राव के साथ उनका एक बेटा है जिसका नाम है आज़ाद खान, और उनकी एज है 9 years. एंड द कपल हैज़ बिन एक्चुअली लिविंग सेपरेटली फॉर अ वाइल नाउ, और उन्होंने एक जॉइंट स्टेटमेंट इशू किया है मीडिया में इन विच दे हैव क्लैरिफाइड एज टू वाई they decided to separate after such a long time. और इस joint statement में उन्होंने लिखा है that in these 15 beautiful years together we have shared a lifetime of experiences, joy and laughter, and our relationship has only grown in trust, respect and love. Now we would like to begin a new chapter in our lives, no longer as husband and wife, but as co-parents and family for each other. This is what the statement read. It also says, we began a planned separation some time ago, and now we feel comfortable to formalize this arrangement of living separately yet sharing our lives the way an extended family does. We remain devoted parents to our son Azad, who we will nurture and raise together. This is what the statement said. उसके आगे स्टेटमेंट में ये भी लिखा है that we also continue to work as collaborators on films. They are working on a couple of films, तो वो collaboration उनकी जारी रहेगी. Plus they are working on a non-profit organization or foundation which is called Pani Foundation, and other projects that we feel passionate about. A big thank you to our families and friends for their constant support and understanding about this evolution in our relationship, and without whom we would not have been so secure in taking this leap. We request all our well-wishers for good wishes and blessings, and hope that like us you will see this divorce not as an end but as the start of a new journey. Now this is really interesting because this is an amicable divorce and it's a great thing for Amir Khan, but this is twice as lucky because his first divorce also did not end in a messy affair. You know, it was a very amicable decision once again, and रीना जो है उनकी पहली वाइफ, वो उनके साथ अब भी अच्छी तरीके से टच में है, एंड शी इज़ पार्ट ऑफ ऑल हिज फैमिली गैदरिंग्स, एंड दे कीप मीटिंग सोशली एज वेल, एंड देयर इज़ नो बैड ब्लड, एटलीस्ट नॉट इन द पब्लिक. और किरण राव के साथ भी उनका जो सेपरेशन है वो उसी लाइंस पे जा रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर वर रूमर्स अबाउट दिस इनिशियली एज वेल, एंड द पीपल वर टॉकिंग इन हार्श टोन्स अबाउट cracks in the marriage, but finally they have announced it, and a lot of industry insiders knew that they had kind of gone separate ways and they are living separately, but until and unless they made this announcement, it wasn't out in the open. Now they have said Amir Khan and Kiran Raw's 15 years association has ended, but at the same time, what can I say? Amir Khan seems to be a very lucky guy because the second time over, he's got out so easily of a marriage, and he continues to be friends with both his wives now. One ex-wife and one to-be ex-wife. Whatever your thoughts are, please let me know in the comment section. We can of course chat on Instagram, it's @reviewron, and you can subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't do any of these things, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Jai Hind.